Let's continue talking about data quality with consistency. Consistency measures the degree of consistency within the data and ensures that data follows established rules, standards, and formats throughout the dataset. For example, we could check for the following: same format. All data should follow the same format, structure, standards across all the records. Adherence to standards. Data should adhere to predefined rules, guidelines, naming conventions, and reference data. For example, if a dataset contains product names, consistency would require that all product names follow a standardized naming convention. Data type and format. Consistency checks include verifying that data types and data formats are consistent. Let's have a look at an example. You can find this in the description of the video. I started with importing the pandas library, and then I created a sample dataset with product information, including product name. In this example, I checked whether all product names start with PROD as per the naming convention. Here I defined expected prefix PROD. Then I checked the consistency of the product name column by ensuring that all product names start with the PROD. I used here the start with method in str package in pandas to filter out the product name. So inconsistent mask marks rows that do not follow the prefix rule, and the consistency data frame marks rows that do follow the rule. The tilde operator in pandas means logical note. Then I calculated the percentage of consistent rows. This is the final results. As you can see, the product 003 has false, which means it is inconsistent because it doesn't start with the PROD. Higher consistency percentages imply more uniformity in the values within the respective columns. If there is a very low percentage, then we have a lot of distinct values in the dataset, which is not a mistake as long as we understand what the column represents and there is a meaning behind all the unique values. Other consistency checks you could apply, for example, phone numbers, employee names, date formats. For example, I want just to have this format in my dataset. Country names, for example, in financial data, if I want to analyze just the meals of American food, for example, so I want just to have the dollar sign in the price.